this is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable info cards on the YouTube app using an iOS device. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I'm on my iPhone now and I have the YouTube app opened up. To enable or disable info cards on YouTube, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Then in the upper right hand corner, you want to tap on the little gear wheel. Then next you will tap on General. Then you want to scroll down a little ways. And right in here, Show in Video Info Cards. If this is toggled on, it allows creator info cards to appear on your video. This doesn't affect ads that may appear on your video. If this is toggled on, you're enabling info cards. If you toggle it off by tapping on the toggle, you're not allowing creator info cards. That is how to enable or disable info cards on the YouTube app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.